For a fun-packed, all-inclusive family holiday, HL Paradise Island in Playa Blanca is a firm favourite. With its on-site water park, spacious apartments, and lively entertainment, it's perfect for families with kids. Accommodation is in comfortable, self-contained apartments, ideal for families who like a bit more space. The resort's water park is the highlight, featuring slides, splash zones, and pools that keep the kids entertained for hours. Adults can relax by the main pool or enjoy a cocktail from the pool bar. The buffet restaurant offers a wide selection of international cuisine, with themed nights and snacks available throughout the day. There's a full program of daytime activities and nightly entertainment, plus a kids club and mini disco to keep the little ones busy. If you're after non-stop fun in the sun, HL Paradise Island delivers the ultimate family-friendly Lanzarote getaway.